welcome to the Ravi PK podcast, so episode number 5. And this is the most excited day for us because today I have an amazing personality on this show, and none other than Mr. Rishabh, who is a YouTuber, and he has been working in the English field, as well as communication field. And I'm very proud of you, Mr. Rishabh, because you are whatever you are doing in your career. So it's really very, glad and very amazing things you are doing in your life. So, Mr. Rishabh, so how are you feeling today? I'm
Yeah, I am feeling very fantastic, Mr. Ravi. Okay, I'm feeling very energetic today, and thank you so much for giving me a very wonderful opportunity to bring me in your podcast.
yeah, it's my pleasure, brother. And I think you have been, also talked lots of people on your YouTube channel. So, how was your experience?
Yeah, exactly. So till now, I have talked to a lot of people, okay, lot of professional people and all. So I have good experience in talking because I have already talked to a lot of people, public speaker, businessman, and a lot of people in my life. So I have a good experience, okay. With every person, the experience changes, okay. With every person, I have something different to learn, something different to get. Yes.
Hmm. Wow, wow, that's great. So yeah, I know your communication skills and you are a good speaker in English field. So may I know your journey from starting to advanced levels?
Yeah, exactly. So first, let me also briefly introduce about myself. Okay, so my name is Rishabh, and basically, like those who don't know me, okay, basically my name is Rishabh, and I am from Jharkhand, India. And right now I'm studying. I'm a student. Right now I'm in class 12th, and also as Mr. Ravi said, okay, I'm a YouTuber. And also
Yeah,
Mr. Ravi, okay, like I'm connected to you from a very long time. I think more than 1 year. We are
yeah, 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 absolutely,
connected to each other. So those who
absolutely.
don't know Mr. Ravi, so let me also tell about Mr. Ravi. He's an entrepreneur, also he's a businessman, and also he's an author. Okay, his book is coming very soon, and also he's a public speaker and as well as a motivational speaker. Fine. And as you asked the question, Mr. Ravi, that what about my English journey? You want to
Yeah,
answer?
yeah, yeah. From like a beginning to advanced level. What was?
Okay, fine. So let me very shortly, okay, tell about my journey because I hope my journey can be motivational for a lot of people.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yes. So let me tell about everything about me. Like 1 year back, I started my journey. 1 year
Mhm.
back, I was just a normal kid. If you see a
Okay.
17-year or 16-year kid, so they don't have good maturity. They don't know a lot of things about the world. They don't have good communication. Okay, more some people have, but some of the students don't have. So 1 year back, I started with a very small thing that is communication and that is English. Okay, 1 year back, a thought came in my mind that I should
Hmm.
improve my English, I should improve my communication skills. Okay, and
Okay.
there was lockdown, there was
Okay.
situation of COVID, and there was lockdown. So it was
Uh-huh.
a good opportunity for me to improve myself. Okay, so what I have done, like there was lot of application that time. Then I installed an application that is called Buddy Talk, and there
Oh,
I started talking to people. I started making conversation with lot of people. Okay, so
okay.
after doing, I thought that okay, after 1 month the lockdown will be over, and
Uh-huh.
okay, I will back into my studies and my normal life. But unfortunately or fortunately, I don't know, lockdown took it gone very big. Okay, and I have got a big opportunity to improve myself. So what most important thing that changed my life? Okay, what I am right now. Okay, I have improved my English. I have improved my communication skills. I am talking behind you. Is all talking to people. I started
Uh,
talking to a lot of people, my big businessmen. I started talking to businessmen. I started talking to entrepreneurs. I started talking to different kind of professional people who are doing job in different sector. I also started talking people from abroad countries, okay, Canada, Australia, and all. So that really changed my mindset. Okay, I really got changed because I was really a different kid. I was
uh,
just thinking my mindset was not so good. I was a negative people. Okay, I was little bit a negative mindset. My
mm,
mindset was not that much immersed because basically I am from a village, and
mm,
village people don't have a broad mind. They have little
yeah.
bit okay low mindset. Okay, what I've
Mm,
seen. So by
mm,
talking to different people from different state, from different country, from different profession,
mm,
it got changed. Okay, my mindset really got changed. I started improving my communication skills. I started improving my English. Okay, I started improving self improvement. I worked on self improvement. I started helping people. I started my YouTube channel, and right now also on daily basis I'm learning a lot of things. I'm helping a lot of people. So this is my short journey. Okay, there is a lot of thing what I have done in my journey, but very shortly I have explained about my journey.
But yeah, it could be short for you, but for who are beginners, so it could be very impactful and very inspiring your journey. And brother, I have seen lots of people who are doing 12th and who are age of 16, 17, so they are confused in their life, very confused. Means I have seen they are not so much confident personality. Okay, their mindset is very ordinary, but I
Exactly.
can say your mindset is really, really extraordinary. And first of all, I salute. In this age you have got lots of skills, which skills can help you upcoming your journey, upcoming your career, upcoming your future, and definitely
Exactly.
you will be go ahead in your life.
Yes,
So
yes. Thank you. Thank you.
yeah, welcome. So what things motivate you, you will have to go in this way.
Okay, okay, fine. So basically, Mr. Ravi, for me, I think motivation is really important in life. Okay, in anybody's life, if he is doing something out of box, okay, what
Uh-huh,
people are not doing, anybody
uh-huh,
needs motivation. Okay, so for me, I get motivation from inside. Okay, basically, there is two kind of motivation: one motivation from inside and from outside. So
uh-huh.
I take motivation from my inside that okay, I have to do something. I have to change
Okay,
my life. Okay, I
okay,
need to change where I am. Okay, I need to
okay.
improve myself. I have to create impact on different people life.
Hmm.
So the thing, if you say me what motivates you, okay,
Hmm.
I think 80% of motivation is from my inside. Okay, that comes
Hmm.
from my
Wow.
inside that I have to
Inside, yeah,
improve myself. Yeah,
yeah,
and
right, right.
rest 20% of motivation is also from outside. Okay, I will not say, because when I see anyone, for example,
Hmm.
if I see any YouTuber or I see anyone doing great in their life, I also get very inspired from them. Okay, I also think, okay, I have to do, even that person can do the thing. Okay,
Hmm.
that person from a very bad family or from a very low background can do lot of things why I can't do. So 20% of motivation is from outside, from
Hmm.
different people, from different, like different society, and 80% of motivation in my life, okay, I get from my inside that in my life I have to do something. Okay, I have to
Hmm.
become great. Okay, I have to help people. Yeah, this is all about my
Yeah,
motivation.
yeah. Wow, absolutely. Means you consider, self motivation is very important. It's a
Exactly.
play, yeah, it's a play, very vital role in our career. Absolutely right, brother. So, brother, in the beginning, now your English is good. So, what were the challenge you was, facing earlier?
Okay, like what was the challenge I was facing while I was improving myself?
Yeah, while yeah improving yourself.
Okay, so what was the challenge? So number one challenge is that okay, that I was not getting right people to talk. Okay,
Mhm.
because there is lot of people. Okay, who was demotivating me. There was lot of people. Okay, who were not ready to talk, because when
Mhm.
I was using some application, like I was using Buddy Talk and different online application. So there was lot of people, but
Mhm.
their intention was not to talk. Their intention was fun or something. So I was really getting like demotivated sometime, because I was having a lot of energy in myself. I was
Mhm.
having motivation in myself that okay, I want to improve myself. I want to
Mhm.
improve my communication. I was doing a lot of practice. But one thing, I was not getting right people to whom I can communicate with, whom I can talk with, okay, whom I can share my ideas, who can. But then also I continued with the thing. Okay, gradually I got the people, because for example in Buddy Talk, when I was talking, I was using different application and different group. So for example, if 100 people would be there, in 100 people only 10 people is really interested, 90 people was
Absolutely
not
right.
interested.
Yeah,
Yeah.
absolutely right.
So
I
I
have
was
also faced same problem. My journey is just like you also.
exactly. So in that 90% was just for fun, just to talk to girls and all. But I have found opportunity in 100 people. Okay, I've
Hmm.
talked to 100 people. I got to know about them, how they are, what they're doing. Okay,
Hmm.
so number one problem was this. Okay, and second problem you can say where I was. Okay, I was little bit facing network issues and all. Okay, and
Hmm.
this kind of, and sometime I was also facing demotivation, because
Hmm.
English, communication, YouTube,
Hmm.
these are long
Hmm.
journey. Okay, it is
Hmm.
not a short journey. For example,
Hmm.
it is not okay, 1 2 hour you will work, or 1 week you will work and you will become a master. No, it is not like that. Some people
Hmm.
think that English, communication, these are a short journey. It is a
Hmm.
long journey. So
Hmm.
sometimes I was facing demotivation, because some people were really trying to demotivate me or something.
Hmm.
Like sometime my family was also telling me, sometime my
Hmm.
brother was telling me what you're doing, why you're talking to people. My friends was
Hmm.
something, they were also very strange at me, that my family was telling me always, my father and mother was telling me, why you're talking every day, you will become mad by talking. And okay, so they were thinking like that. But I haven't listened to anyone. Still I don't listen. Even still my parents say me that don't talk that much. Okay, why you're talking that much, why you're
Mm.
wasting your time, this kind of thing. But still I continuously work because I know I am right at my place. Okay, because I have seen a lot of people. Okay, and I know the things. Okay, this thing what I'm doing is 100% right, and I'm following
Mm.
these things.
Wow, wow, wow. Means those kinds of things you are considering, yeah. If anybody, considering you are doing not good, and you should, avoid such kinds of working. But you consider as a positive way. You take it as a positive way because that things could be, impact many more things in your life.
Exactly. So means
Mm.
what happened? It is my life. Okay.
Mm.
Like in India, what happened? Parents give suggestion to their children what to do, what to not do. Society
Mm.
give a suggestion what to do, what to not do. But
Mm.
I have learned these things. Okay, it is my life. Okay, I have
Mm.
to make my life. I have to destroy my life. Okay, whatever I need to do. So why I will listen to others? See, I can listen some things. Okay, that okay, this is good, this is bad. But most of the
Mm.
decision, 80% of my decision, I have to
Mm.
take in my life. Okay, I have to make my life, I have to do something. So I don't listen to anybody what they say. Okay, what I feel I definitely imply in my life, but I don't
Mm.
feel good because everybody give me advice, my parents, my society, my friends, okay,
Mm.
my relatives, everybody give me lot of advice. When my relative come, they give me a
Mm.
lot of advice, they tell me do this, do that. Okay, but
Okay.
what I feel right, I only apply that thing in my life. I don't apply what I don't feel good or what will not help me to become successful.
Wow, that's great. Very phenomenal, lesson for everyone. Absolutely right, brother. And I agree totally with you. So, brother, when you was facing challenges in your career, so what could be the reason behind of this, those challenges? What could be the reason according to you?
Okay, what challenges I face, okay, right now in my life. So definitely if you're doing something, Mr. Ravi, okay, mostly if you're doing something out of box, okay,
Hmm.
what 90% people are not doing, what you are doing that, definitely it is mandatory. You should face problem, you should face challenges. Okay,
Hmm.
so I don't think something like that, okay, I'm facing problem, I'm facing challenges, I should be sad, okay, why I'm facing. I'm very
Hmm.
happy whenever I face problem, whenever I face challenges, I feel very very happy. Okay, because I think that will help me, that makes me very strong. If any
Yeah,
problem,
yeah.
any challenges is that make me very strong mentally as well as physically in my life. Okay,
Hmm.
so I always take a challenge as an opportunity. If some problems come to my life, okay, always I take it as an opportunity, so I don't feel some bad. For example, 90% of the people what they do, if some challenge come to their life, they started feeling bad. Okay,
Hmm.
challenges are coming, my life is not good, my life is something. If you're getting challenges, if you're getting problem in life, you should think that you're doing something out of the box, you're doing
Hmm.
different from others. So you should be happy, you should be very happily accept the challenge what I do. Okay, if any problem, what challenges I face in my life, okay, no matter it's family problem or it's problem from my side or it is
Hmm.
the problem of demotivation or something, I deal it with very happiness. Okay, and I take pleasure to do the challenges, because
Wow.
that will, if you can cross the challenges in your life, if you can cross problem in your life, definitely one day you will do something great in your life. So this is the
Yeah, yeah.
mentality regarding challenges and problems.
Yeah, 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 absolutely right, brother. If our challenge would be big, so we can celebrate big success in our career. If our challenge would be small, so we can celebrate a small success. It so depends upon. So you consider, I should, face tackle big challenge so that you can learn big things and you can celebrate, big success in your career. Yeah, it's a really good thing. So how did you overcome from those challenges when you was learning English skills?
Okay, how did I overcome that? Okay, so
Uh-huh.
main motivation. Motivation, I'm not saying motivation is everything, but motivation was playing a big role in my life, because
Mm,
always you will see me. Okay, when like those people knows me, okay, like who are
mm,
watching this video, those who know me, they
mhm,
will realize me, I'm very motivated always. Okay, I'm motivated, and also I keep other people motivated. Okay, I never I'm demotivated. Sometimes I feel demotivated, but I never demotivated others. Okay,
Hmm.
so sometimes I feel demotivation, okay, in my journey. So just
Okay.
I try to always make myself motivated. Okay, might be
Hmm.
I watch some videos or from inside I keep myself, okay, motivated. Okay, I have to do something in life. Okay, so if you get the reason why, okay, of your life, for example, whatever you're doing, either I'm not, the video is only not for the professional people or not for the business, it is for everyone. Okay, either you are
Hmm.
in a business, either you are doing job, either you are studying, you are a student, or either whatever your age is, you should find why. Okay, what is your why of your life? Okay, if you can find that, that would be easy. So first thing
Hmm.
is motivation, second thing is why you're doing something. Okay, and
Hmm.
third thing is passion. I hope you have heard about passion. Okay, most people don't know passion. Okay, I think you're following your passion.